Similarly, we have the looping statements also. You want to perform same operation multiple times. Okay, you want to perform same operation multiple times, then you need to go with looping statements. Okay, we have for and for each, while loop and do while loop. Yeah, these loops we have in Java. Okay, so let me discuss one by one. Looping statements main use is like you want to execute same set of statements but repeatedly. Okay, repeatedly you want to execute same set of statements, then you need to go with looping statements, either for or while loop. Okay, these differences and all we will see. Yeah, one by one we will try to discuss on it. Okay, fine. So let me create a new class here. How looping statements are work, please try to understand. Okay, looping example 1 I have taken. See the syntax of the for loop, please try to understand here. For your initialization is required and your condition and your increment or decrement operator is required for us. Okay, and here you are going to write your all your statements. This is the syntax. Okay, for loop syntax is this is the one. So for your initialization, your condition and increment or decrement operators you need to do it. Please observe carefully. For okay, main use of for loop is what? Again I am repeating. It is used for executing the some set of statements repeatedly. Okay. Let me take initialization. Int I. I want to start from 1. Okay. I want to start from 1. I want to run up to 10. Okay. And I want to give here increment operator. I plus plus or I minus minus you can give. Increment or decrement, whatever. So I want to print the value of I. Do you think what is the output of I? Now what will happen, you know? First I is equal to 1. Okay, it will check the condition. Is I less than equal to 10? Yeah, 1 is less than 10. Yes. Then it is going to print this value. Okay, then that I value will be printed. And then I value will be incremented. I value will become 2 now. 2 less than 10? Yes, 2 will be printed. And then I value will be incremented. I equal to 3, 3 less than equal to 10? Yes, it will print 3 and 3 will be incremented to 4. This way it is going to check every condition until this condition false. It is going to run all these statements and yeah, so that way it is going to work until the condition will become false. It is going to run all these statements one by one. Okay, when condition false it will stop over there. Now tell me what is the output of this program. Like I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 1 to 10, is it going to print, or I is equal to 9? Okay, when condition will false, I equal to 11, then condition will false, right? Then let me run now. Observe carefully. Now see the values here, output of that program. 1 to 10 value is printed successfully. So at the time of I equal to 10, okay, so at the time of I value is 10. So 10 less than equal to 10, yes, condition is true only. Then 10 will be printed. Then I plus plus 11, 11 condition false. Then it come out from here. Okay, if I have given I less than 10, now tell me, it will print up to 9 only, because at the time of 10 the condition will fail. So this statement is running number of times from initialization to each time it will increment by checking the condition. Okay, this is the syntax of the for loop. This is how it is going to work. Okay, similar program for decrement also. You want to decrement something or you want to print by decrementing the value and all. So how you can do that? Just I am adding one line here just to differentiation. I equal to 10 I am giving. Okay, I am equal to 10 and I am adding the condition here, I greater than 1. Okay, I greater than equal to 1 I am giving, and I minus minus I am giving. Now tell me what is going to happen in the second for loop. First value is 10. 10 greater than 10 is greater than 1, yes, then 10 will be printed, and I minus minus, it will become 9. 9 greater than equal to 1, yes, 9 will be printed. This way, in the reverse order, by using decrement operator, you are going to print. See here, 10 to 1 it is printed. So every time it will check the condition, it will continue with the execution where you have given decrement here, where you have given increment operator here. This is increment, this is decrement. Okay, so like this way you can work with the for loop and also along with this you want to perform some condition inside of your for loop also. That is also possible. See, I want to run for I equal to 1, I greater than equal to 100, okay, and I plus plus I am doing. See the example. I can use internally condition also. If my I equal to means it is a comparison is happening here. Okay, double equal to means comparison in Java. Single equal to means assignment. Okay, single equal to means assignment, where how we assigned here. You can see the first program. Single equal to we have used. This is for assignment. Whereas for the double equal to is nothing but what? Double equal to means here it is comparison is happening. Okay, yeah. So I double equal to 10. When I equal to 10, I want to exit from this loop. Exit means break statement I can use. Okay, exit. I want to exit from here. When I equal to 10, I want to exit. Okay, else I want to print it. Else I want to else condition. What I am writing is like just for printing. Else condition I am writing the value of I, whatever it is. Okay. Now tell me what is the output of this program. Let me comment all this. Now tell me what is the output of this program. Okay. See, I equal to 1, I greater than equal to 100, I plus plus. It is fine. It should run from 1 to 100. But here you added the condition. When I equal to 10, then you need to break. You need to exit from this for loop. You don't want to continue. Else you are going to print the value of I. See here what it is happening. Observe carefully. See, I is equal to 1 to 10, 1 to 9 is printed. But your condition here up to 100, right? But what you are doing here, you are breaking. When I equal to 10, what you are doing, you are breaking. Okay, you are breaking. So this is how it is going to work. That is the use of a break statement. You want to exit from the for loop or while loop from somewhere, then break condition, or you want to continue, then you can go ahead with the it will continue with the run. Same example, please observe, I have given break here. Okay, so same example, if I am going to give continue, okay, what will happen? Please observe carefully. So in this example, okay, I want to give here instead of break, I want to give here continue. Now can you expect what is the output of this program? When I equal to 10, it will continue. Again loop will continue. Again loop will continue. So it means that when I equal to 10, it should not print. It should not print. And remaining all the values it need to print. Okay, only for I equal to 10, it should not print the value, because I equal to 10 condition is true, but you are giving here continue. Continue means again loop will continue. Break means it will exit. Continue means it will continue. Now observe carefully this program. See, 10 is there or not? Observe carefully. Here 10 is there. No, 10 value is not there. Because at the time of 10 value, you are asking to continue the loop. That is the reason 10 value is not printed and remaining all are printed. 1 to 100 it is printed. That is the importance of a break and continue. Break means it will exit from the loop. Continue means it will continue the loop. Okay. So yeah, so like this way you can work with the for loop. Similar way, we have another loop called for each loop also there. Okay. Similarly, we have another loop called for each loop. Okay, this one also in real time and all we will use in the part of Selenium. For each loop, our main intention is it will work on the collections. Okay, it will work on the collection. Collection means where we have here, you can observe carefully. Let me comment these two. I hope you understand. Yeah, let me comment these two. So now observe carefully. I am taking a one integer array. Array means in normal variable. See, this is a normal variable. You can store only one value. You cannot store multiple values. You cannot store multiple values. You can store only one value. But whereas collection means array or array list or linked list or map, whatever it is. So set. So it is integer array. I am giving as in numbers is my variable name. I am storing these all values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, I stored all my values. See, with this collection only it is possible. It may be array or array list or set, map, whatever it is. So you want to store multiple values into a single variable, you need to make that as a this array for now. Okay, later we will discuss about remaining collections. So this is array now. What type of array it is? It is an integer type of array. If you give string here, it is a string type of array. If you give boolean, boolean type of array. If you give char, char type of array. Okay, now it is an integer array. I want to print all the values in my array. Okay, I want to print all the values in my array. So there are, you can perform this operation by using for loop. Okay, you can also perform this by using for each loop. Both the cases we will see here. Now my collection is there, okay, which is numbers. I want to get each and every number. How you can print it? So the for, very simple, for int I equal to 0, I less than, okay, numbers, whatever the numbers, you need to get the length of it. What? Numbers dot length, what it will give, I will tell you. Okay, numbers dot length, what it will give you, I will tell you. What is the length, guys? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there, right? So that is the length of, yeah, 6th means it is starting from 0, so length it will give 5. So 0 to 5 is the length. 0 to 5 is the length, okay? But this length will give is the 6 for us. 6, its index is 0 to 5. This is first index. I mean 0th index. This is first. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. Very simple. So indexing always, how it will be is like very simple. You can see here. Indexing is very, yeah. So this is 0th. This is first. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. This is 5. Like this way in array, it is going to store. Now the values will be here. It will be 10. 0th index 10, and one index it will be 20, and 2 index it will be 30, 4 index it will be 40. Okay, like this way it will be there. Come back, guys. So in this array I want to print each and every number in this array. What type of array it is? Integer type of array. Variable name is numbers. So you can access numbers of 0, numbers of 1, numbers of 2, numbers of 3. That way you can actually access. Numbers dot length will give you what? Total size of this array. How many values are there? 6. So length is 6. If you want, I can print this also. You can observe carefully. Okay. Length of array. Length is, you can observe carefully, numbers dot length. Okay. See, this plus operator is used for concatenating string with any other value, like integer value or string with another string or string with char. Okay, plus operator is the concatenation operator. It is a combining operator in Java. Okay, any string is integrating with any other value, then you need to use the plus operator. Okay, plus means it is going to combine these two. Okay, without plus you are giving, then it will throw an error to you. Okay, plus operator is mainly used for what? Combining operator. Okay, fine. Now what you need to do, just you need to print each and every index of the array. Just you can print numbers of I. That's it. What it will do, first time index will be what? 0. Numbers of 0, first value 10 will be printed. Second time index will be 1. Numbers of 1, 20 will be printed. Numbers of 2, numbers of 3. This way it is going to print all the values from your array. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This we can do by using what? For loop. Similar case I want to do with my for each loop also. The syntax is for, and what type of values are there, and what is your array? Numbers. Just you need to print your number. That's it. Okay. So see, this for loop you are having initialization, condition, and increment. See, whenever you want to print some values from the any collection, the for each loop, what it is going to do is this what type of array it is? Integer array. This variable I am giving, any variable you can give here. This is your array. What is your array? Numbers. Okay. What it will do is it will loop each and every value. Okay, it will loop each and every value in this array, and it will print it. One by one, it will display all the values from the integer array in this case, or any array. It will iterate one by one. That is nothing but for each loop. Okay. So here this is a for loop where you need to have the initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. But whereas this is a for each loop where you will be looping one by one from your array, and you are printing these values. Here this variable you can give anything, but here it is the integer array, so you need to give the integer. Here this variable you can give anything. This is for our reference, and that value we are trying to print it. So it will get each value from this array, and it is going to print that value. Now observe carefully, same result you are getting or not. See, 10, 20 up to 60 it is printed. This is with first for loop. Okay, this is with for loop, and this 10 to 60 it is printed. This is by using for each loop. Okay, these are all the two loopings available in Java for us. Okay, so we have discussed so many things in this video about the for loop and for each loop, how to work with these loopings and all, how to add the conditions inside of a loop, what is the importance of a break and continue. Okay, break and continue even we are going to learn in while loop also. Next looping condition is there, we will discuss one more time. But break means it will exit from the loop. Continue means without running remaining statements, it will continue with the execution. Okay, that is what it is going to do. Okay, right. So that's all for this video. Thank you.